Jay is a knowledgeable chef that walked us through each steps of the jollof recipe and gave us tips and tricks that we can apply back home. This experience was amazing, well thought of, fun, well structured, and most importantly, the food was delicious. I highly recommend it to anyone who would like to learn a Ghanaian dish. Me and friends traveled for December and we had a wonderful time. The chef was extremely friendly along with her staff members. I recommend this experience for all travelers. I visited Ghana with a group of my friends and Chef Jay's cooking class was a highlight of our trip. We learned to make jollof rice and kele wele and topped off our meal with fried chicken and salad. We picked up tips and great insights about the dishes we made and ingredients we used. Chef Jay made the experience feel personal and fun, answering all our questions and teaching techniques we'll use in other meals. The food was amazing, and the class gave us a deeper connection to Ghanaian culture. Knowing that the proceeds support local women made it even more special. If you're in Ghana, don't miss this, it's delicious, meaningful, and so worth it.